Join us May 6th through 11th for the Sights and Sounds of Memphis. Memphis, it has all the energy and excitement of a big city with the heart of a small town. We enjoy a Memphis tour today and see all the top sights of Memphis. A featured tour is Sun Studios, the very studio where Elvis made history, and the likes of Johnny Cash, Roy Orbison, Jerry Lee Lewis, just to name a few, got their start. We'll have some lunch and have some free time on historic Beale Street. A tour of the Gibson Guitar Factory will make us utterly fascinated to see where these world-famous guitars take shape before your very eyes. At the Memphis Rock and Soul Museum, learn about the Memphis music scene and what changes it had on the world. No tour to Memphis is complete without seeing Graceland. Your Elvis experience includes a tour of the mansion, as well as his private jets, his entertainer career museum, wardrobes, and auto museum. And we'll round up that morning with a delicious lunch at Vernon's Smokehouse, right in Graceland. We'll take a leisurely cruise down the Mississippi with the historical Memphis Riverboat Sightseeing Cruise. You'll gather at the iconic Peabody Hotel for the Marching of the Ducks. The Peabody Memphis Ducks march to see the hotel's residents, and they waddle across the red carpet to get to their room. As you begin your journey home, a stop is made in St. Louis, where you'll explore the National Blues Museum, where blues music actually serves as the foundation of all modern American music. It's celebrated at the museum. So join us for the Sights and Sounds of Memphis, May 6th through 11th, 2019.